guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Callmetoocute here, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope that you give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe to your girl's channel. Also follow my Instagram page at _Callmetoocute. I will leave all that information for my social media down below in the description box. As you guys saw from the title, today is going to be all about my 1 week update and a full review of the salon that I visited in Virginia Beach to get my hair installed. So if you guys don't know, I got my starter locks installed. This is actually my second set of locks. The first set of locks I had for about a year and a half. It was about a few months shy from hitting the 2-year mark. But yes, so I combed them out and I got my hair reinstalled on July 24th, 2018. And I went to the Locs of Love hair lounge in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Y'all, that salon was just beautiful. Like, it was just amazing. Like, if you haven't already, make sure you go look at the video where I got my starter locks installed. I will leave that link down below in the description box so y'all can really like get a view of what I mean by the salon was just beautiful, peaceful. The loctician was amazing. So let's get started on the full review first. So like I said, the salon was absolutely beautiful. Prior to me actually getting them installed, the Saturday before I got my hair installed, I went to the salon and got a consultation done with the owner and the loctician who was going to be installing my hair. What they did was, well, I went in and I had my hair up in a puff, just a old wash and go. So I had it in a puff, so I had to take that down. And what they did was they basically like stretched out my hair a little bit by using their fingers to see how long it was and basically to see how thick it was, because that's how they decide on the pricing. And they asked me different questions on how did I have an idea of how I wanted them to look, how big I wanted them, how small I wanted them, what kind of parts I wanted. So basically it was after hearing what I wanted, that's when they gave me advice on how big they think they should feel based off my hair density or lock parting and different things like that. But they listened to what I wanted, of course, and they made sure that they gave me as close as what I wanted, if not exactly. But of course, you have to be very realistic with your hair. You may want a certain look, but your hair may not be thick enough for that, or your density is pretty low, or different things like that. So whenever you're thinking about getting your hair locked, make sure you do a lot of research on the best parting and the best sizing for your hair, because it may not turn out like that in the end, just to be honest, okay? So after I got the consultation done, I went back home and I scheduled my appointment. And like I said, my appointment was on July 24th, 2018 at 4:30. My appointment was scheduled for 4:30. When I went there, the first thing we did was, of course, got my hair washed. And what she used to wash my hair was a mix of Castile soap and different types of essential oils. That's what she used in my hair, and that was like amazing. Like, I haven't had my hair washed by someone else in so long. So just having somebody else to wash my hair was just amazing. And also it was amazing because before I came into the salon, I was a little upset from my job because it was just a very stressful day with meeting with different clients and things like that. So before I went into salon, I had a lot on my heart, but I just felt like as soon as I walked in the salon, it's just like the presence and just the aura in the salon was just, I just feel like all of my problems just like went away. So once she washed my hair and everything like that, we went on and did the lock process, as you can see in the video, and she just explained every step of the process. She explained to me once she was getting around the perimeter. She called it around the world. I believe that's what she called it, around the world. And it's just, she just basically explained why she did that, so that whenever she took the clips out of my hair wouldn't be twisted, you know, back would just, you know, twisted like this. It would have some type of style to it whenever I left the salon. Also, she explained to me why she was doing my perimeters a little bit long, the parting longer and a little bit thicker. And that is because, y'all, whenever your hair starts to thin out, the first thing that thin out are your edges. And that is because you're pulling your hair back so much that's the first thing to go. Like, if your hair thins out when you have locks, that your edge is going to be the first thing to go, because that's where we put in the most tension on our hair. So it's best to do that and parting a little bit thicker than it would for the rest of your hair. And she explained that to me very well. And I was like, that is fine, because whenever I had my last set of locks, right here on my little temple area, my hair was thinning quicker than the rest of my locks. And I was just like, what is going on? And that is because whenever I got them started the first time, it was not thicker on the edges. And I just said, look, you're the loctician. If that's what you feel is the best, I trust you. If I did not trust you, I wouldn't have come to your salon to get my hair done. So I said, do what you think is best for my hair, because I'm not taking these out this time. I'm keeping this set of locks. If it's not exactly how I want it, I'm going to embrace it and just embrace the journey and just learn more from my hair like I did the last set of locks. So that was that. It was, like I said, it was just a beautiful experience. If you live in the Hampton Roads area or even the DMV area and you want to find a bomb loctician and a bomb hair salon to start your locks, go to Locs of Love. Locs of Love in Virginia Beach. Look them up on the internet. I will leave their website down below in the description box, so make sure you do that. Okay, so that's that. Now on to my 1 week update. Not much has really changed with my hair in a week, and I will give you guys a full view. So this is what my hair is looking like in the front. My edges are like, I don't know. I don't even worry about my edges anymore. Nothing is really gonna hold them down. I just embrace what God has given me with my edges. It's just whatever. And this is what the back looks like. I can say that really my hair started itching pretty badly on yesterday, and I've just been but I decided to use this apricot and castor oil mix that I bought from Thirsty Roots. Like, y'all, had this for like 2 years now, and I put a pretty small tip on it so that I'm not using too much of it whenever I do put it in my scalp. So I put that on my scalp, and my hair just, you know, haven't been itching as bad like it was yesterday. Now, as far as my everyday routine, do not be scared to put water on your hair, guys. From my experience with my last set of locks, water really helped my hair lock quicker than I thought it would have. So I decided to continue putting water on my hair every single day as to give my hair some moisture. And what I've been using, this is actually similar to what they used on my hair in the salon when I first started. So when you watch my last video and when I got it installed, you will see that she was spraying some type of hair mist on my hair. And in mine, I put grapeseed oil, lavender oil, tea tree oil, and lemongrass oil in my hair, and water, of course. And I mixed it up, and this is what I've been doing every day. And I, you know, lift up the roots and get that in there a little bit, and just do this to my hair and go. That's literally what I do every single day. I don't do anything extra. I shake and I go. Like literally, that's all I've been doing for this past week. It's not really much I can do with my hair. I'm really not trying to put it into any styles right now. I'm gonna wait maybe another month or two before I do that. But that's literally what I've been doing with my hair for the past week. Now, as far as my night routine, I will then at night spray my hair one more time, and then I will use this right here, this scarf, and just tie it on my hair at night. And then I will put a bonnet on top, because you know, you have to look, if you sleep kind of rough like me some nights, you have to double protect your hair, because if you don't, you wake up in the morning, that scarf is gone. And I did that a couple times this week, and I'm just like, oh, I forgot to put my bonnet on. So I've been making it a habit to put my bonnet on with my scarf, so just in case the scarf comes off, or just in case the bonnet comes off, the scarf is still on your head. Ha! Double protection. So that's really what's been going on my 1 week, with my 1 week locks. Not much has changed other than the roots are starting to get, you know, a little poofy, but that's okay with me. Oh, I do have one lock that I'm gonna actually go back to the salon to get reinstalled a little bit tighter. My hair is just really soft right here. So with that being said, this one right here has been unraveling a little bit. I was supposed to have went back last week, but I haven't been able to get there. But I think I'm gonna try to call them today and get that done. Well, this week, and get that done, because I don't want that to prolong the process of this one locking. But other than that, that's really what's been going on. I do believe I will be washing my hair at the 3-week mark. I'm not sure. I may chance it and do it at the 2-week mark, because my hair has just been itching and I really do want to wash my hair. But I'm gonna really try to wait until 3 weeks to do that, and then retwist it as well. But that's what's going on, y'all. This, like I said, these are my locks. I'm gonna put some videos. I'm gonna put some, not videos, I'm sorry, some pictures at the end. I'm gonna do a comparison of what it looked like when I got them installed, and what they look like today at the 1 week mark. And I'm also gonna put some pictures of how I've been styling, not necessarily styling my hair, but I did wear scarves for the past couple of days, hair wraps for the past couple of days, because it's been raining, and I'm really not trying to get that in my hair. And it's just been just gloomy and humid a little bit outside. So yeah, my 1 week update, and I will see you guys at the 2 week mark. Bye.